Hi guys, I'm Patricia.
And I'm Ian. Servus.
And we are
Be with us. And this is Lika.
And this is Lika. Hi.
Welcome to our confusing, moving, stressful.
Welcome to the dust house.
Welcome to the dust house. Welcome to the house where you can't find anything, the Bermuda Triangle house.
The U2 house.
The U2 house, because we haven't found what we're looking for.
Yeah. We're going to give you a quick tour of how it is. Today is the day 5. We're in the house.
Yeah, we moved the
on
first
Monday,
day, so we couldn't do anything. Then the second day, the son of the owner came in to figure out that everything is falling apart with experts. We couldn't do anything. Then the next 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday, there was a fixer-upper guy in it, a handyman, for like 7-8 hours straight. Right?
Yeah.
He's a nice guy, but very chatty.
Yeah.
So bits by bits, we're getting things done. Then the cousin of the owner came in on yesterday.
Yeah.
Had an absolute fib about the state of the house, not with us, but with the realtor. You know, thanks to our useless realtor. So she decided that the roach cables in the ceiling, which she showed you before, supposed to be light fittings, are not light fittings. She needs to buy lampshades.
Thank God.
She was running like a casechi to get lampshades for us.
Yeah.
So Patricia will show you a little bit.
Yeah, and so we have the toilet fixed, we can flush, we can poop.
Yes. Look guys, we pooped.
We pooped.
We're skinny again.
We're skinny. And we have the boiler running, so we have hot water.
Yes.
Ish. Sometimes too hot, sometimes a little bit cold. But
we didn't try it today yet.
Yeah. And let's go. Lika's waiting to give the tour.
You want to show the bathroom?
Lika's giving the tour. Hold on. You want to show the bathroom, Lika? This is our party bathroom.
Because this whole area we can separate off the main house. So when we barbecue and we have guests, we have the kitchen here. We can barbecue outside, but the guests don't have to snoop in the bedroom through her bra collection. This is our guest bathroom. It's a shower behind it, but
Fever. There's a shower here. See, they changed the
hose.
Also the hose, the shower hose. We can flush. Yes! Lika's waiting to give the rest of the tour. Where are we going, Lika? Kitchen. Let's go then.
Why she wants to go to the kitchen? Because I want to cook.
Because we are preparing
Barbecue.
Food for barbecue. We're going to barbecue today, and we're inviting you to barbecue with us.
Yes. I cleaned this up.
Yeah, the hub you saw in the last video. If you didn't see, check the last video. It was gross. We cleaned. We changed the filter.
I scrubbed for an hour.
Yeah.
But now it's perfect.
Yeah. Hold it. Now. The dishes are a bombshell because we didn't have time to wash it yet. We will do it today.
I will do it today.
Yeah, and bits by bits we're getting rid of the bags, figuring out where we put everything.
Yeah, we put already stuff in the counter spaces. We cleaned them out, so we arranged a little bit.
Yeah.
Here too. This is not the cookie jar. This is dishwasher tablets for the dishwasher in the future.
Yeah.
Here's some little bit more cups and then an egg cooker, guys. If you ever, I love this tool. You put the eggs in, a little bit of water, and cooks very fast the eggs. Hold on. A popcorn maker, obviously. And
Alcohol.
then, rubbing alcohol.
Yeah.
My laundry detergent stuff. Here, it's getting better, this one. But the problem down here with those ones, we don't use any of the lower ones, because they smell very stale, very like musty, so very wet. I don't know, guys, if you're a builder, fixer-upper guy and have some advice how to get the musty odor out of it. I mean, obviously I leave the doors a little bit open normally.
Yeah.
Now, Lika is waiting. Come on, Lika, follow us.
The other good thing, we have the intercom working, so now people can come and rent the intercom.
Yeah, before we got 2 deliveries from Wharton because we ordered some kitchen stuff we really need in this house, and the delivery guy, the mailman, ring, but it was dead.
Now we have to go
According to the realtor, everything was fine.
Yeah.
He didn't want to fix anything for 750.
And now we have to go to the post office to collect.
Yeah, we go later. Yeah.
We have a mirror that we got from the other house that we.
The same realtor which promised us the other house in 2 days before we move in. He said it was not ready.
Then we put the door stopper. We have a door stopper here because the doors are always clean. There's a lot of nice fresh air in the house, cross breeze. We're always trying to figure out, we have to buy some door stoppers, figure out makeshift some door stoppers. Here we have the table. It's also from the other house we took.
Yeah, it was all to go into the bin or the landfill or whatever.
And the couch.
Yeah, the furniture looks turn of the century. The seat. This is Willow's. This is Lika's seat. Lika loves this seat for watching TV. She brings her balls and everything there.
All day.
This is our seat. It looks turn of the century castle-like, but I'm telling you guys, it is the most ever comfortable couch we ever had. It sucks you in.
Yeah. The light fitting.
Yeah, we have light now.
Yeah,
We can show you the stars.
Yeah, show the stars. One star.
Here's my our TV, the big TV, my PlayStation Pro, PlayStation 4 Pro, which I have for many years.
Kitchen light fitting.
The kitchen light fitting, Guys, let's go back to the kitchen.
Yeah, we forgot.
She brought this, looks industrial chic. It looks very nice. The problem is only it blocks the light from going into the kitchen. It just goes down here. Maybe it's good for a poker joint, you know. But I will just install. We have some LED strips from under, so I can see when I wash the dishes.
Yeah.
Now let's follow the ass.
This table too, we salvaged from the old house, the other house.
Yeah, the mirror is very beautiful.
Yeah.
We like it. Now let's go into the office, which is partially bombshell.
Yeah, here's the light fitting as well.
Yeah.
We have all the light fitting sorted, so thank God looks other house now, at least with the light fittings.
Yeah.
The office we're still organizing.
Yeah, this is where we're editing normally our videos and do our daily jobs.
Yeah.
You know. And yesterday, since the construction guy was in, and we told him, please try to be quiet, right? Because we have to work online. But every 2 minutes he came talking. And then they were drilling. So we said, okay, we abandoned the house. We go outside. So we were just straight ahead. There is orange tree. So we put our office out there and worked from outside with Bluetooth headphones. But still, he came every 2 minutes talking to us about nothing really special. Live, yeah, ingrown toenails and fungi. What is it? Yeah. Fungi under the toenails, and it was okay.
Yeah. Light in the bathroom.
Now the bathroom is super bright now. It's still a little bit dusty. You still have to clean it, but it's hard when you clean everything yourself. I'm a poor little man, have to clean the whole house. I have no help. Ow, she's beating me.
Liar. I'm helping too.
She's beating. So this is our bathroom. It's super bright. I mean, I never had such a bright bathroom in my whole life.
And we have a bathroom with a window.
Yes, so
For the first time since I'm in Europe, I have a bathroom with a window.
And here you see all our closets. So this is our spare closet. We have jackets and stuff in which we don't really need. We put those little things in. It's supposed to keep them off and the creepy crawlies, so it smells like lavender. If you know if they work, let us know. I have no idea, but every time the wind comes here, it smells lavenderish. Hi, Lika. Oi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Come on.
Bedroom, the bombshell.
Yeah, another light fitting. Yeah. Finally, we have some light. We're still unpacking. We need dehumidifiers because it's super humid in the house. Our mattress is always a little bit damp. Yeah. But it's subtropical climate, so what can you do?
Yeah, I put one of those dehumidifier box for now until we get a proper dehumidifier.
If you have guys, it's supposed to work for 35 square meters. Yeah. It's just some silica in it. I don't feel any difference with it.
Not yet, but see, it's hard already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we have the window open for now because it's a fresh breeze out there. The good thing with this bedroom is I can beat the shit out of Patricia in here. Nobody hears her screaming.
It's absolutely quiet. We barely hear the birds in the front yard.
And the only thing you hear at night is the snoring from
Amazing.
Patricia and
And
Lika. They all both have a snoring competition.
Yeah.
Now let's go out to the garden. Lika loves the house. She's always in the garden.
Raining
Yeah.
a little bit.
I made a little contraption out here, guys. Island style for hanging up the towels when it's not raining, because the towels inside the house after shower, they don't dry, they stay wet. Now our barbecue area.
Yeah. We clean here.
Yeah, we scrubbed this already for barbecuing, and then here's the big barbecue, but I think I use our little tabletop barbecue today because of the rain. This is our laundry drying area now, our Roman temple.
Mm-hmm.
I scrubbed a little bit of the chipping paint because I don't want it on the laundry.
Mm-hmm.
It's getting dry. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is our Roman laundry area. See, it's very chic, very romantic. So if you want to rent it
Very rustic.
if you want to rent it for holidays, you can ask us. We will charge you a fair price for it.
Yeah.
And
running water.
running water, yeah. And outside, this is the window you see is our bedroom window. It goes into this Roman temple. But the good thing is when it rains, we hear the dripping on top of those roof or whatever concrete, and the light in the back. So it's very nice. We hear the rain. Lika helped me cleaning the place today.
Here's the bird.
There's some higher. We have a neighbor's bird here. Not the neighbor's name is not Bird. It's the bird of the neighbor. I don't know. It must be in a cage and it sings the whole day. Beautiful, super beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, they have bougainvillea too.
Yeah.
The white ones.
Guys,
Take some clipping.
you were asking if we brought our garden from the balcony. We had their comments on it. Yes, of course, we brought our plants.
Yeah. We trimmed it very short
Yeah.
for the move.
For the transport. We have them here now for, well, just to grow, I would say. Huh? Hold on, I have to move this one. I scrubbed the tiles before. This is our dragon tree. It looks a little bit hideous now, but it's winter, so in the summer it will be better.
Mm-hmm.
Our orange tree.
Over there.
Ah,
The
yeah.
other.
Our orange tree. Here we have a composter, but there's only dry twigs in it, so I don't know, they will never rot, so I think I do something with it in the future. And here's our little shrine, our little bee shrine, the little bee house. So we really like this place. This is our bench where we normally sit out and relax a bit.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the rest of the garden from the apartment. All our planters with peppers in it and citronella, fern, whatever the wind, whatever the wind was blowing, there's a lot of stuff growing.
Mm-hmm.
This is another patch of Lika's. She likes to eat the grass. And our other insect hotel. So this is the tour for now.
Yeah. Now we have to season the meat before Lika jumps at the counter and steals
It
it.
steals it. So see you later for the barbecue.
See you later for the barbecue.
Get the beer out.
So guys, today is Saturday, because yesterday we were planning the barbecue, but we had to go out for post office. Yeah, we had to go for the post office to collect some stuff, and there was a huge queue. So we came back super tired.
Yay.
I got Lika. And we came back super tired, so we didn't barbecue yesterday, and it started raining as well, so we didn't barbecue. So we're barbecuing today for Buyer Match.
Hold on. This is the big barbecue. When we have friends over, but for 2 people, there's no need to fire up the whole barbecue. So we have this small one. It's very nice. It served us well so far.
If the wind helps.
Let's take them out, throw them in. No. you can hold it. So this is our little fireplace. It's a little bit dirty because we not always clean it after each time, right? Because it doesn't need to be. That's it, huh? It has a fan from down below. We have rechargeable batteries in there, and it blows wind from underneath, so you always have a good fire coming up. Always. Yeah, now this has to warm up until...
Yeah. We did the trial for the fire and everything. That's why we put just 2 pieces of meat before the rain started. And the whole house was smelling like barbecue, so we can't wait today for the barbecue. And Lika was helping us yesterday. She was so crazy about the smell, obviously.
Yeah, she's my barbecue helper. She's an official barbecue dog. She doesn't like beer.
Oops, sorry.
Huh?
No, I changed the camera when you were talking. She does like beer.
She doesn't like beer, but I'll drink her part, and then she eats a part of my barbecue meat.
Obviously. So that's it, guys. We'll just wait to warm up and we'll show you the barbecue later.
Now, guys, we are on a barbecue marathon. Our little barbecue, I think the batteries died for the fan, so it was kind of...
Yeah, tell me.
So first we had the barbecue here, as you saw it before.
Yeah.
Then it was very windy, so we moved the barbecue into the other barbecue place.
Yeah.
Then it started to rain, really to rain, so we had to abandon the idea from over there. So we brought it inside the kitchen, under the kitchen hub, because it's an indoor barbecue too. But it was not going anywhere since the batteries are not blowing the fan. So now we have a window in between 2 rain showers maybe. So we moved it out over here now.
Back outside here, but to this side now.
But at least while I'm barbecuing and can watch the Bayern Munich game, since we're big Bayern Munich supporters every Saturday or Sunday or whenever. I mean, obviously you can see Bayern Munich. You can see my tattoo too, Bayern Munich.
Yep.
So yeah.
So
but now it's happy days for now.
Yeah, we're still waiting for the meat.
Yeah.
And
I'm barbecuing for 2 hours straight out and then feel like going nowhere.
I got cold, so I put my home jacket, Snoopy home jacket. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.
See you in the next video, and Lika, maybe she wants to say something.
Lika, you want to say something? You want to say something? No.
Lika, come here. Come here, Lika.
See. Hiya. Yeah. We made a little house for Lika. A little bed for Lika. We had this luggage was broken, so we reused, and she loves it. She loves to stay there. She's not there now because she's smelling the food.
We cut the lid off.
Yeah.
Put the lid underneath.
Somebody scored. Bayern scored. Yes.
Yes, 1-0, guys.
Yeah. So yeah, we cut the lid, put inside, made a little bed for her, and she loves it. She's sleeping there all the time. So that's it for now, guys. See you in the next video.
Guys, just an update on the house. It's today Monday, around 10 in the morning. It was raining all night, on and off very hard. And well, we had some breakfast already. Now we checked here in the kitchen, and it appears from here already cleaned twice. From down here, it's somehow water coming. There's always a lake building up in this area.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.